keep feeling like I'm going to get it, and then I go completely wrong.
Spicy but dicey. Spicy Sophie. This is actually mental how quick this thing's going. It's gonna be fucking fall out. We are in Nagoya.
And Ronan's only just gone and lost his wallet,
On the bullet train that we've just got off.
which leaves 2 minutes after departure.
It's good. It's good.
It's already in Osaka.
His wallet's in Osaka. But yeah, fucking brutal. Look, he's trying to get it sorted now. What a nightmare. Fucking hell. We're all waiting.
Cheers. Kampai. Kampai. Say kampai.
Oh, Daddy George has come to check on everyone, has he?
Are we doing that? Are we doing that?
Are we there yet? Look at her fucking peeking over. Get out of here. Fucking. So, we don't know if Ronan's going to get his wallet back or not, but
Probably not.
probably no. I would hazard a guess. It's in the other side of Japan. So yeah, we got up at 7:45. We got a train. Then we got another train. Then we got another train. And then I think and then we're on this train.
Yeah.
Yep. So we're on the bullet train. Now we're on this train.
No doubt there will be more public transport.
There will be more trains. But yeah, at least we've got seats. In Tokyo there was no seats. But yeah, we've got 2 hours left on this train we just left Nagoya.
Yeah.
And we're going to Takayama.
Yeah.
Nailed it, right, boom. 47 seconds of whatever vlog this is. Coming back to you live from Tokyo. Arigatou gozaimasu. Say it.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Sunny. Isn't it, Joel?
I don't even know what you're saying.
Said it's lovely and sunny.
Yeah.
Right? God.
All I can hear is suitcase wheels against the gravel.
Gravel.
It's not.
It's tarmac.
No, this isn't.
Shut up. Granite. Oh, George is filling out the forms for potentially getting Ronan's wallet back. Well done, you prat. Laughing. In bags? No. Are you doing the meditation? No? Arigatou gozaimasu.
In the history of this temple, so there used to be the room for only monks. Because directly connected to the prayer hall.
Yeah, okay.
That's sick. But right now, open
For us.
for everybody.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so now you can go there.
So thank you. I was looking at the room. At the monk's room. Buddhist monks temple, and we're gonna go put our names down for tomorrow morning's prayer service at 7 a.m. and then there's a meditation optional which we're paying for, and that's gonna be at 8 a.m. I cannot wait. Rhoda's doing it with me. You're not?
I'm doing it.
You are? Okay. Yes, we're all gonna do that, and then we're gonna go sake tasting now, potentially go down onsen. You have to be naked to do that, so that'll be fun.
No tattoos, so
Yeah, so he can't do it. But yes, very excited. Why is that like that way? Should I have been doing this the whole time? If that is, that's annoying.
Takayama is very famous for his some of the best in Japan, supposedly. And they started producing something.
Is it that one time I got lost, isn't it?
My AirPods are in my pockets.
You're the problem here. I've never heard of that before.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
No, just it's almost like a savoury flavour rather than like a,
You like it?
That's a really good video.
No points. I've got so many fucking points.
Ooh,
How did you find
that's a lot of seasoning.
I'm just gonna quit.
It's very fatty. What it's fucking tasty.
It is tasty.
Very fatty. I feel like we're about to stumble into Spirited Away. Unless it loops back around this way. This is dodgy. This is fucked. Yeah. We're going up that. Are we? Should we? There's footsteps. Again, so do it again. I I feel like we're gonna get fucking mauled.
Yeah, 1 second. We're going on video call.
Gonna have what?
We're going to have a mauling. Yeah, well,
This is it's so dark. This is fucked, guys. This was a bad idea. Absolutely not. Oh, fuck me. Boys. This feels dangerous. It doesn't say. We go up to the light. The tree line. This is ridiculous. Well, that seemed pointless. That was just scary. Honestly, like, we were just in trees the whole time, like, fuck, we're gonna get attacked.
Going down would be scary,
I know.
All dark.
What was it like coming up that way?
Nice. We can go down this way.
That way is like in the brush.
Yeah, that is too, but then you go through a little village. That view's quite nice, actually.
No, that'll draw them towards the fucking cattle. Oh, it'll be like, oh, a fresh sheep on the mountainside.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking hell. Ugh.
Why are restaurants just empty and different?
Right, well, that was horrendous. We had to race up Bear Mountain in the dark, and then we eventually found Rafi, Safi, and the gang. And now we're coming back down in the dark. We didn't get attacked by bears. Bears. Yeah, that was grim. Right. After this silly bear hike of death, and we're now on our way to an onsen. Unfortunately, Joel couldn't come with us.
Yeah, that's sad.
Because he has tattoos all over him. I only have a little one. So I was able to put plasters on it, so hopefully they're fine with it. Because we have to go in fully naked.
Yeah.
Brilliant. We're hoping it's just us. To be fair, it'll be kind of funny if there's just like naked Japanese men. But yeah, fuck it, why not? We're in Takayama and we may as well try it. Say we've done it. So yeah, we'll let you know how it is when we're out. Oh, well, that was an amazing experience, I would say. It was actually class. Yeah, if Joel was with us, that would have been elite tier. That was top tier though. Like the thermal baths are just beautiful. The one outside with like coming down from like rock formations into the pool, so warm, so nice. And then there was 2 other ones, like a jacuzzi type one, and then just like a normal like still water one, but like it was boiling, so it was. But yeah, we were in for like 20 minutes, and then now we're gonna go get some curry and maybe a drink, and then off to bed to rest my weary head, because it's been a long day and we're up early. So then about Buddhism.